Now that we've got this working, we want to save it all in our file. So I'm going to capture all of this and come over here and save it. And then notice that there's a go statement here that will execute that before we tested it all. And then let's go ahead and see if our entire file works. So we can copy all of this and paste it in here so we know that our code from start to finish works. And this is what I do when I'm grading. I just copy your whole file and paste it in here to see if it works. Now I want a fresh start because I'm testing this all the time. I go ahead and restart the database from the beginning. If you want to do that, the way that you can do that is to drop the database. And to drop this database, we're going to have to close everything because it'll say that it's already in use. So let's go ahead and close everything, and it might say it anyway. And let's just drop this database and execute drop database if exists. And it wouldn't do that. So I'm going to have to actually close Management Studio and restart it to get this to work. Once it restarts, then I can do that new query. And there it's dropped it. So now I can simply reattach it. I'm going to pause while I do this because you already know how to do this. I'm just going to go get those files and reattach them. Now I can copy all of my code, so the entire file. I copied the entire file and I want to see what my results are, so I'm going to put it output to a file. So if you look right here, this icon right here sends the results to a file. So I'm going to click that and then execute. And here we'll find out if I have any errors. So I'm just going to put this to the results file. I'm going to replace it. All right, and I get some messages here, but I can go find that results file too. And open up here, and it tells me all the results I've got. And so here's where I can compare with the expected results. And I learned two things. One, I learned, was there an error somewhere? Is something not working? And two, I learned, did I get the results that were expected?